Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change background in Google Slide. So if you want to keep background in Google Slide, first thing you have to do is you have to delete the current background. You have to delete it. So best way to delete it is just highlight on the background. So if you want to change the current background, just tap on start. Then tap on background. If you want to change, you can easily reset from the previous one you want, then add another one to it if you want to change it. So just tap on the image, or probably if you want to use color as your background, you can use the color. I like to use the image. Try to use change from previous background. Okay, set this if you want. Then tap on done, and that is how to change background in Google Slide. If any video helpful, thank you.